time for snack. I will get two couple of broha. Has to be two broha. Mga broha. One is broken. Hello guys, good afternoon to all of you. So, it's happy Saturday everybody. Today is we went to Ayala guys. So I just put this is what I got. This one I got no sale, which is I'm very sad because I wanted sale but no sale. BPA free, bacteria free, odor free, stain free, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, shock resistant, made from tempered glass. And this is each of 209, each in Ayala there. So actually there is something that matches this one, but I only purchased 4 because of the weight. It's quite heavy actually. Yeah, it's double the weight of Corelle that what we have in Australia. And also so okay guys, all that time I'm still doing this, just removing the tags before I wash it. So this actually, the home gallery is the one that I like because it's not too heavy, not too thick, but Corelle is still thinner than that one, but it's okay, I can manage washing it. It's not that stubborn heavy. So this type of sort of plates is more hygienic looking, the white one. And I just seen this Metro, which is the same aesthetic as the other one. So I was thinking I'll get some because the other one is not on sale. But when I get these home gallery sets that I have, what is in my thought is to build it up. I can buy certain things to build up the number, especially the plates. So I'm trying to get to 24 of the plates because that's a nice number if you have guests, you know, to do it. And when the kids comes, the kids can also enjoy the hygienic looking things that we're gonna serve to them. So that's what in my thinking, it's like that. So I got this and I already got how many doesn't good look, it's not good looking anymore, you know. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna start collecting a better one. So I upgrade myself, upgrade life in Bacolod City. So yeah, I don't mind doing it, you know, I don't mind doing it. And because that is my happiness, you know, here in Bacolod City, to be able to see myself that I can buy the things that I'd like to keep. So yeah, it's no problem, don't worry about me, I'm okay. Yeah. And maybe my kids, if they are watching this, they know I love beautiful things in the house, which is I like because I like to use my kitchen, I like to cook, I like to like enjoy the time that I have in my house. Because when I was in Australia, I'm always at work, so I always dream of enjoying the things that we have invested in the house, you know, like we built, you know. And how could I enjoy it? I have to go to work. So I look back, when I go to work, I look back, I look at the house. One day I will enjoy you like the tricycle needed ay interior.
Siguro tayo.
Oo. So okay guys, we are waiting for the interior of our tricycle to be fixed. Tada! Oo. First our neighbor over there walking. Guys, gaaway sila nga duha. Neighbor there. Ang taga-picture guys. Kaya gusto ni neighbor, ito ang picturean. Ang gusto naman ni Mrs. doon sa Ila Bacolod. Daddy there. Yeah, nami da. Dra ka lang. Para hindi ka mabanggaan. Okay guys, we are here in front of Landers. We're gonna check out because I think this is where they're gonna put the Christmas, no, the Chinese New Year. We don't know. We are not sure. We're looking. Oh guys, the Red Horse beer. Nadi sa Red Horse guy. Red Horse siya guys. Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to our vlog in Bacolod City. Alright, so this is our second run attempt to do the vlog. So I already done this area. I didn't really do anything because it's already clean, but I had to clean the floor for the dust. And then this one, I washed this because it had oil around it. So let's just wash that one. So I needed to create. So okay, let's do a little bit of conversation for a couple of minutes. So yes, this is our life in Bacolod City. It's nothing much there is to tell you because you're watching our vlog. I only do my vlog now once a week because unless I have something interesting every day in my life, there is nothing except my grocery and my cooking and my going to bed during the day. So I'm gonna eat now, try to eat, and yeah, so it's not that much really guys to so guys, dito kami kumain sa J&J. Ayan, and then we eat in that resort. Ito yung car park nila guys. Car park nila to. Then yan ang restaurant sa loob. Medyo may kalakihan. Ito si Pinky. Nagre-reverse. Okay guys. So our towels that we ordered has arrived. Here we go. 6 of them. And this is the box that it come with. And yes. Ta-da! We have towels. Okay guys, good afternoon. Harang North Point. Ayan, dito ta sa my district which is sa Onhanya. Dito ta di kaliko, diryonan. Na sundiritso tayo dayon. Yan. Kay pick up punta siya sa gin groceryhan ta to Glenn. Kaupod ka to sa amon. Siling nila, bawan di sili kuti. Kaya gintagaan, tamang ka.
Oh, pus anay Morris.
Ah.
Ready, 1, 2.
Welcome to the wedding. Guys, welcome to Don Salvador. This is Vista Vela. Come on, Dad. The black.
Wonder Moose.
Okay guys, good afternoon. So we are here in the reception in Vista Vela. Yeah, we can go down. See, Vista Vela. Oh yeah, you can go down. Yes, they're still putting the flowers. They're not finished yet. So here we are. This is the area, guys. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da! Dapat picture. Ayan. Okay. Ah, yes, we did get the outside. Yes, we had a video, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.